Hello, my name is Sandulachi, and in what follows, I would like to present the research paper entitled The Effects of CSR Policies in Maintaining the Sustainability of SMEs in Times of Crisis. In the following slide, I presented some biographical data regarding the main authors of the research paper. In the context of numerous economic, political, social, and environmental crises, the role of companies regarding social and environmental responsibility is one of the topics on the agenda of many interest groups. Responsibility and sustainability becoming key aspects of doing business globally. In this sense, both at the business environment and at the academic level, the question of the impact that the adoption of CSR practices has on performance and sustainability of business in various social and economic contexts has been raised. The purpose of this paper is to evaluate the contribution of CSR policies and practices in maintaining the performance and sustainability of SMEs activities in times of crisis. The motivation for choosing the analyzed topic is given on the one hand by the multiple crises that the business environment and society in general have been facing lately, and on the other hand by the pressure that is put on companies in order to adopt CSR practices. In order to achieve the proposed goal, we drew two main objectives, namely, Objective number 1, identification of the effects of CSR policies and practices at the level of SMEs, and objective number 2, evaluation of the sustainability of SME business in the field of food industry under the effect of multiple crises. As research methods, we use documentary research and content analysis with the aim of carrying out the study of specialized literature through which we highlight the current state of research regarding the impact of CSR policies on business sustainability in time of crisis. We also carry out a study starting from a database that includes SMEs in the field of the food industry, using IBM SPSS Statistic 26 program to analyze the data and validate the econometrical model. In order to perform the statistical analysis, we followed three main stages, namely, the study of specialized literature, establishing a research hypothesis based on the conclusion of literature review, and collection and statistical modeling of data. On the following slide, we presented some research paper that we consider relevant for the proposed approach. On this slide, we present the conceptual model and research hypothesis, namely CSR policies and practices impact on the maintaining the performance and sustainability of SMEs activity in time of crisis. The obtained results will materialize in the modeling of the sustainability of SMEs activity in relation to endogenous and exogenous influencing factors in period of crisis. The importance of the paper derives on the one hand from its contribution to enrichment of the specialized literature. Most studies on this topic focusing especially on large multinational enterprises and less on small and medium-sized enterprises, and on the other hand, the results of the study can be useful to the business environment in that they will allow testing sustainability of business at this SMI level. Thank you very much for your attention.